TikTok has added a new feature that allows creators to see who has viewed their profile. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to see who has viewed your TikTok profile. Now let's get started. To see who's looked at your profile on TikTok, you first need to enable the Profile Viewers setting. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Then tap the eye in the top right corner. To enable Profile Viewers, tap Turn On. Once you have this enabled, you'll be able to see who has viewed your profile in the last 30 days when you tap the eye button on your profile. Note that you will only see people here if they have also turned on the Profile Viewers feature. If you enable Profile Viewers and view someone else's profile who also has this enabled, they'll be able to see that you viewed their profile. If you do not enable this feature, other people will not be able to see when you view their profile even if they have this enabled. That's all it takes to see who has viewed your profile on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.